to bring the video from the event library to the project library. So I go up and create a new project, label that as EMR, and then you can change the aspect ratio depending upon the video and create. So you have the project library, and then I want to see that it is selected to all here. So I select the entire video in the event library and then drag it down into the project library. So once it's there, I click the whole thing, right click, and come down to the detach audio and detach the audio from the video so that you could avoid any extraneous sounds that can come into the video recording from the endoscopy processor. Highlight the audio and delete that. So that's very important. And the principles of editing, at least the ones that I follow, are I look at the video, and here now I bring it down to 30-second segments. You can go to 5 to half a second segments, but 30-second segments. And if I want to increase the space for my video editing, I press and move this thing up. And what I do is basically I want to keep whatever segments I want to keep, and delete and remove whatever I don't want. So it's basically split and remove what you don't need. So here I want, this is how I go. This is the segment that I want to keep, and this is where I want to split. To split, you press Shift Command S for split, and then highlight that and delete that. So basically I want to tell the story, show the lesion, and split it there, and then show the injection technique. So I'm going down to show where the injection is better here, and here is the injection that is better, and I again Shift Command S, and the previous segment I don't need, I delete, and I keep the injection. And then the next thing is I want to show the snare resection. Again I start this split here, again Shift Command S, and the previous segment I don't need, and I come down to my resection end and again split by pressing Shift Command S. And then the next segment is a little bit of a biopsy of the edge if I want to show. Again, that's the starting. I split it here, Shift Command S, and I remove the other segments, and Shift Command S, and then I want to start showing APC. Right, that's where the APC segment starts, and split it, Shift Command S, highlight, remove, and then I finish the APC story here, and Shift Command S, that's what I want to keep, and then I come to the story of the clips. So this is where the clip starts. Again Shift Command S, and the previous one that I don't need I remove, and then I want to show the all the clips that are being placed. So that's where the clips end. All right, Shift Command S, I keep that, and then if you want to show the tattoo, you come down to the tattoo, or I think I forgot where the tattoo is. Okay, here is the tattoo. So Shift Command S, get rid of this segment, and then you put the tattoo here. All right, Shift Command S, and then you're bringing the specimen. I can split it here, Shift Command S. I delete the previous segment, and then bringing the specimen out, and then fixing the specimen, showing how we fix the specimen. And the previous segment we don't need it, and then again split. So from the original 36 minutes we came to 14 minutes. It's a rough cut, so you know what you want to keep, what you don't want to keep, and then you can do finer editing later on, and then we talk about it in the next section.